So we're going to begin making the smoothie by first roasting 2 tablespoons of oats. We're going to roast this for just 1 minute on a very low flame. Now while our oats are getting ready, I'll just show you the rest of the ingredients. We will be requiring about 1 tablespoon of cashew nut as well as 1 tablespoon of roasted peanuts. Then we require 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Then we're going to require about 3/4 cup of water and 2 frozen bananas. All I've done is just kept the bananas in the freezer for about an hour and let them just come to room temperature. Now we're going to take a blender, and once our oats have cooled down, we're going to add this to the blender. Now we're going to add in the flax seeds. We start with the chia seeds, then go in the flax seeds, then go in the cashew nuts and the roasted peanuts. Then we're going to add the water, and now we're going to peel the frozen bananas and chop them up into 4 or 5 pieces and add that to the blender too. You will find that the color of the banana is a little on the browner side. That's because we've kept it in the freezer for an hour. And then we're just going to blend it all together. So we add our bananas to the blender. Now at the end of the video, I have mentioned all the benefits of all the ingredients that we've used. And here our smoothie is all ready. This is an ideal breakfast. So instead of having anything else, if you just have this smoothie, it will just fill you up and you won't feel hungry for hours together. You can also, just top it up with some chia seeds or some seasonal fruit. You can just take this with you when you're going to work or on a run, or you can just carry it with you whenever you require it and just have it. It's so filling and it's so healthy. So I hope you try out this recipe, and do let me know in the comments box below how you liked this healthy smoothie. If you would like to see more healthy recipes like this, then please leave your comments in the comment box below. So please, friends, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button on my channel. Do ring the bell once you've subscribed so you won't miss out any of the videos coming up on Akshatas recipes. Give this video a like, share Akshatas recipes with family and friends. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye and take care.